Credit Versio versus DisputeBee 2025. Which credit repair tool is better? Repairing your credit in 2025 does have to be a headache, but most people get this wrong by picking tools without understanding features. Let's compare Credit Versio and DisputeBee. Credit Versio offers automated credit dispute management, tracking, and personalized guidance. You won't believe what happens next. It uses AI to detect errors on your report and recommends the fastest dispute strategies. DisputeBee is similar, focusing on simplifying disputes with step-by-step instructions and ready-to-send letters. Unlike Credit Versio, it's more manual, giving users more control but requiring more effort. Pricing differs. Credit Versio charges a subscription for automated features, while DisputeBee often uses one-time fees for each dispute redocument service. The surprising truth is that automation doesn't just save time, it can improve success rates by ensuring disputes follow credit bureau guidelines exactly. So, which is better? If you want hands-off, guided credit repair, Credit Versio wins. If you prefer manual control with lower upfront costs, DisputeBee works well. The right choice depends on your comfort level with automation, budget, and how quickly you want to resolve credit issues.